Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Working long hours, I need my coffee and I do drink a lot. Most of the time I drink it black, but years ago, David and I decided to try a commercial coffee creamer. It was good, but I knew I could make it more flavorful. So I decided to make it from scratch, and I'm very happy I did. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my French vanilla coffee creamer. This is a beautiful addition to add to your morning coffee. It's rich and creamy with a great vanilla taste. It's definitely better than the ones from the store. Plus, it's so easy to make. So my friends, let's get cooking.
All right, in a medium saucepan over medium heat, we'll add sweetened condensed milk, followed by milk, vanilla seeds, including the pod, and a tiny pinch of salt. We'll stir the ingredients until well blended. Now, as soon as it starts simmering, seeing those little bubbles around, we'll remove from the heat. We'll add pure vanilla extract and stir to combine. Next, we'll pour the creamer through a fine sieve sitting over a large measuring cup to catch any solids, but we'll keep the pod. Do you remember what we do with this? That's right, we'll make some vanilla sugar with it. To learn more, click on the top right corner of your screen. So we'll let it cool, but to prevent a skin formation, we'll place some wax paper on top, making sure it touches the surface. That applies to any hot liquid recipes, including sauces and gravies. When it gets to room temperature, we'll pour the mixture into a container and transfer to the fridge until needed. My friends, this is our French vanilla coffee creamer. The commercial ones are good, but this one is even better. Plus, there are no preservatives. It's very easy to make, as you can see, and the flavor is just amazing. This is a great recipe to enhance your coffee experience every morning. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!